The assignment? Draw your path to theological education. The tools? Poster board, markers, time. The obstacle? Self-doubt. I drew a tree. With an educational and career resume well outside of the academy, my branches were heavy with perceived inadequacies. My non-traditional career background, my hesitant theological vocabulary, my deep-seated fears of not belonging, and of my call being insufficient. The leaves whispering of imposter syndrome, each carrying the burdensome weight of a lie I'd embraced. You aren't an intellectual. You don't have the right degrees. You are too young. You're not queer enough. You're too Southern. You're too blonde. You're not a wife. You're not a mother. You're too Christian. Your grief? Too burdensome. I looked out over the room and saw my colleagues' teary-eyed reflections. Their head shakes began to rattle the leaves of self-doubt and invited pruning. As the leaves changed color and cascaded towards the ground, I experienced what Dorothy Day meant by radical hospitality, going beyond the friendly church to create a space of genuine encounter and mutual transformation. Their gaze was sacramental, revealing the inherent worth obscured by my own internalized narratives of unworthiness. This wasn't just radical hospitality as concept, but as prayer. Not simply making space, but actively co-creating a communal landscape where each of our callings is worthy. They affirmed my present embodied wisdom, a balm. They recognized that my journey was not about proving worthiness, but about walking alongside others in their own sacred discernment. I understood radical hospitality not as a transaction, but as a profound spiritual practice of seeing and being seen. I was commissioned not just as an administrator, but as a co-creator, co-curator of welcoming spaces and embracing vocation, empowered to extend the same radical hospitality that had so tenderly reshaped my own understanding of belonging. The tree I had grown was no longer a map of self-doubt, but a kaleidoscope of transformation and evolution, a testament to astonishing grace.